calculate material cost variance, material price variance, and material usage variance. So here they are asking us to calculate all the three variances: cost, price, as well as the usage variance. Now, what is the information for this purpose which they have given? They have given the standard material and the actual material का information as well as the standard price and actual price का information. तो हमें basically सिर्फ ये 4 ही things चाहिए होती है, because ultimately हमारी ये जो तीनों formulas है इसमें ये ही दो जो है, that is standard material, that is standard quantity, and the standard rate and actual quantity and the actual rate is only used. Okay. Now, first one, what they are asking us to calculate, they are asking us to calculate material cost variance. Now we know that when we subtract the standard output minus when we subtract the actual output, we get a variance. ये पता है हमें. अभी हमें cost variance. Now cost variance हमने theory में पढ़ा. It includes both the factors. It includes the price as well as it includes the usage, that is a quantity. तो इसके लिए standard में हम क्या करेंगे? Standard quantity divided by multiplied by standard price. Same way, actual quantity into actual price. Okay, so it's better. See, you use the standard rate or you use the standard price. It's one and the same. So it's up to you what you want to write. If you want to write down standard price, then just write down standard price. If you want to write down standard rate, then just write down standard rate, because meaning is one and the same. अब यहाँ पर price दिया है, so that is why I'm using the standard price in the formula. चलो, now SQ denotes the standard quantity. कितनी है standard quantity? 1000 kg. So write it down 1000 first. Into standard price कितना है? 12 per kg. So we will multiply this by 12. Bracket close. Same way, we have to do it for the actual quantity. Actual quantity is how much? 900 kgs into actual price. What is actual price? 16 rupees. Solve this. 1000 into 12, 12,000 minus 900 into 16. So this will be 14,400. अब देखो, स्टैंडर्ड माइनस एक्चुअल. स्टैंडर्ड हमने सेट किया था 12,000 का, बट एक्चुअली में कितना हुआ है मटेरियल कॉस्ट? 14,400. So is this a favorable or this is an adverse? Obviously it is an adverse, because over here the actual cost is higher than the standard cost. So it is an adverse. दोनों का difference find out करो. It is 2,400 adverse. And we denote capital A for writing adverse. Now the second one is material price variance. Now what is the formula for calculating material price variance? Actual quantity and in bracket that you will multiply it by standard price minus you will do the actual price. Standard price minus actual price से क्या होगा? आप variance find out कर लोगे. And when you want to find out about the price, तो हम किससे multiply करते हैं? We multiply it by actual quantity. So what is the actual quantity? 900 kgs. Standard price is 12 rupees and actual price is 16 rupees. So 900. This will be -4. So just write down in the bracket. So 900 into 4 will be rupees 3,600, but adverse. Because जब हम here also the standard जो cost है वो क्या है? Rate is higher than the actual rate is higher than the standard rate. So just because of this we got an adverse. Now next one will be material usage variance. So what is the formula? Standard price into, what you have to do, write down in the bracket standard quantity. Now usage का मतलब क्या होता है? Quantity. So standard quantity minus actual quantity. So what is the standard price? 12 rupees. Standard quantity is 1000. Actual quantity is 900. अब देखो यहाँ पर standard is higher than the actual. So it means here we will be getting a favorable variance. That is a positive variance. Rupees 1200 favorable. Don't forget to denote this variance, कि adverse variance है कि favorable variance है. For favorable, you have to use the capital F, and for the adverse, you have to use the capital A. Now class, we can do the verification for the same. अब material cost variance किससे बना है? When material price variance plus material usage variance will give you the material cost variance. तो how you can verify? देखो material cost variance कितना है? 2400. अगर ये दोनों को भी add करके if you are getting this 2400 favorable, it means your sum is correct. ठीक है, sorry, it is an adverse. So just write down over here even A in the bracket. अब हमें ये दोनों का addition करके we want this amount. Now here we have 3600 adverse. Plus 1200 favorable. So negative 3600 plus, if you do 1200, how much you will be getting? Negative 2400. So again, na, adverse. So this is how you can even do the verification and find out that whether it's correct or not. See, negative 3600, positive 1200. This is favorable, huh, class? Sorry. Will give you 2400 adverse. समझ में आया? So see that each and every information was given to you in the question. हमें क्या करना था? We have just applied the formula and we have find it out all the three variances. That is material variance, material cost variance, price variance, and usage variance. And at the end, we have done the verification part as well. Just showing you the whole of the sum once. Just take it down.